Good evening, everyone. Good evening, my friends on Facebook, on YouTube, my subscribers. I greet una all. I greet una. Na me again, una sister. Una Luan and Lule sister. Refavor channel. So I don't come back again to bring advice to people. So my advice when I dey give, I beg if you get anywhere when be say it touch you, when it concern you, so you go still take am. So if you get anywhere when be say it still vex you, I beg may you throw away am on. And not because of one particular person come dey give my advice. And they give my advice as it dey my mind, how it dey give my advice. So now it be that one. So now when be say we don't subscribe, now do well and God will bless you as now take press the subscribe button, as now still take share my video. Now God will still bless you now. Now when you never subscribe, I beg wanna go subscribe. Wanna go subscribe to give me more courage to continue with the advice when I dey give. You understand? So as now subscribe now, so God will take bless you now. Do well, yeah. So now the matter when I break on today, so now I be uncomfortable married women. You understand? And their matter now I break on today. So I be say I will talk about single mothers. I say no, make I just focus on this uncomfortable married women. Today, another day I go bring a single mother issue. So now it be that one. So the issue of single mothers, that one will be next Saturday. So I go dey bring my video once in a week now. So now, so I beg wanna help me the share. Now I beg now I dey. I'm gonna see the press like. I'm gonna see subscribe. Tell your friends to come subscribe. You not get with it subscribe. Come out for your body. Not they come out money. You not come out anything for your body. Not come out your Wi-Fi. Remain your Wi-Fi. You understand? So now so it be. Not be say subscribe. They will come out money for my account. Nobody they come out money for your account. Your account still remain the same. You understand? So now for we to do each other to raise each other. Some of now wey be say go still they say if I subscribe for now, you go come get many subscription. I don't already they get them. So I still need more. They say who God don't bless, nobody go fit draw back. Nobody. You understand? So not your bother yourself for where bother no dey there. Do for another person. May God for still make your own light shine. You understand? So our light go shine in Jesus' name. Amen. Not get bad mind towards your neighbor. If your neighbor they do anything, encourage am. Not be for bad. If your neighbor they do bad, tell am make it come out for hand. Make it come out in hand for the bad. Where be say if they do. Now when they do good, now you go encourage am. You understand? To do more that good. You understand? So the video when I want to do today, no, it's too much long based on I don't they try to do the video for my computer since in I don't know whether the network na so I want just do the video short about a single I don't let's say single mother, uncomfortable married women. So all these uncomfortable married women will be say I just talk about now the women will be say they go day like this, their husband they carry side chick. So they go begin go they fight their husband side chick for outside, not be waiting the goods. So not be waiting they go. So I don't they watch that video several times. I don't they watch even right from my child. That thing they vex me. I go see some of those women when be say they go leave their husband for us, go they fight their husband girlfriend. For which reason? What did that lady call for you? What did the girl cause for you? You not get what he cost. You not get what he call. You need to reason and say you not get what he call. The day when your husband see you, he toast you, he say he love you. So they write down anything for your head, saying a single or and marry them. They not write down. You understand? Now you follow around. That's why you still see another woman for outside. He toast stand. The woman don't know say he get wife or he gets anybody for his life. The woman follow around. You understand? So now no, you need to reason and say, this woman, you not get what she cause. For your husband to come out, go outside, go talk to another woman. That one not be the woman fault. Now your husband fault. not be the woman fault. You go begin to say, if I see woman when you dey friend, I go beat her. Especially now when we say this social media things or something the things. So when we say before fight go start, people go begin to carry food, they record them. More than they record them, so that maybe they get topic they talk. Maybe they get topic they talk about. You understand? Not be say I dey against that one, but in a way I still dey against them because the people when be say una dey disgrace now. Mama still born there. Now, mama still born them. They be human being like us. You understand? So now, wetin not really dey good about that thing what una dey do. E no dey good. E no really dey good. E no really dey good. If assuming say maybe say you want take action, say your husband dey carry woman, your husband dey friend another woman for outside, you will carry action on your husband. Not be the woman wey be say e dey friend for outside. Not be you want go disgrace. I no go collect that disgrace from anybody. I no go gree make any of my person collect that disgrace from anybody. You understand? I no go gree am. You go just take woman unexpectedly begin the harass her. No be waiting dey good. If your husband come up for house go carry woman, I no go fit talk say he no love you. He love you because if he no love you, you no go dey for one house. But you need to know say this our men then this cheating of 18 e dey for their DNA. Wetin you want kill yourself put? E dey for their DNA. They go eat for house now. They go come out. They go outside. They go still go eat. They go clean mat like who no eat. They go clean mat. But what you want kill yourself put? After they follow that woman, they find out the woman carry bottle sugar for your belly. Shey you don't maybe that one. Who go take care of your children when you born? You go say that woman go come in, go take care of children when you born. Why you dey bother yourself or where bother not dey? Some of una man go outside. The next thing when you go I call. Where you dey now? Where do you want kill yourself put? Why you want kill yourself? You dey bother yourself where bother not dey. You need to bother. You need to worry about your children. No worry about the things where be say your man they do outside. I beg, no let that one concern you. Now he concern. If it not only where for concern you say maybe you can carry wetin batting come meet your enemy for house. Go for bids. Now only where for concern you. He give my belly for outside though. Now your responsibility. That will not concern you. The woman they ask her money now from your pockets. He want buy human hair for the woman now from your pocket. Why you they fight for where fight no dey? If you see say maybe say you not dey comfortable with the life when the man they live, you tell him may give you chance. If you see say you not dey comfortable with the life, you know say you not fit cope. Many women they feel they cope. If you know say you not fit cope, for you to go dey fight another woman for outside, you tell the man say I beg give me chance. My husband they carry wife, my husband they carry woman, my husband they carry woman. Well, you know what he tell the woman. You know what he tell the woman. He go say the woman, go tell the woman say he never marry. They go remove their ring for hand like this. Drop her for their pocket. We will be the women who go they carry our out the waka. Drop her for pocket. The woman go look in her and not see any evidence say he don't marry. He go agree. Tomorrow you come here say your husband they carry side chick. You go come begin go they fight the side chick. You know what he tell the side chick? You know what he tell them? Tell her. You go see some of those men. They go there like this. The woman go ask them say you don't marry. You go say no, you never marry. But you don't boy. You go say he get children. He get children. If they even ask them, how to take away those children, the man go say, now so like this, now so the woman force the body give her, now so the woman do this one. He go talk story, come here, talk story, go there. At the end, the woman go fall for her. Not be say, baby, say, if you will be say, they have, say you come out, say that woman enter. Not be say, what he tell do, you know, go tell do that woman, because he there for their blood. He there for their blood. So why you they bother? I beg my sisters when they do all those things, wanna stop her. Because those women wanna they fight. Now women like una. Now women like una, you know reason I say a woman like me now dey fight. What about the time when be say my husband talk to me, I agree, maybe another woman there for his life when I don't know person can fight me, I go feel. I go feel good. I not go feel good. If it be say okay, the woman when be say the man your husband they carry, you know her. The woman know say your husband get wife. You know you as your husband wife. Okay, your husband can't do that kind of thing. You feel even comfort the woman. Say, come, my sister, I beg, now my husband, I beg, leave my husband. You understand? But for me, I'm not gonna comfort who. Comfort who? Comfort who? For waiting. Now me you go fight for my man, not go fight for me. Man no go fight for me. Now me go fight for man. I go carry belle for 9 months. I go come born. I go come they take care of children. I go come cook for the children. I go come carry children go school. I go figure they fight woman when be say my husband carry for outside. It's not possible. It's not possible, my sister. Maybe you know, I believe say maybe say you not get enough work. I bet if you not get enough work, I bet enter YouTube. They do this thing when I they do so. Enter YouTube or enter Facebook. Enter Facebook, they keep yourself busy. They find where till you go watch as I they talk so now you go they watch me. Before you know, they don't that. You go they watch me, learn from here, gather all of them together, they do something. Some of you now go there. Now man go do this one. Now man go work. Now man go come back for work. You dey house, you know they do anything. If as me say a day break, say you get what you they do. You they use one arrow till they talk to 2 arrow. You go see where say your husband they carry side chick. He don't even tell you self, no, I bet they carry their own good outside. Now they know. May they carry their own good outside. Now they know now the woman know if you come for inside for the man trap, carry belle give and the man responsibility. Not be your responsibility. Wait till now the drag. Now that thing, now that whether na inia they call her. Now on the cassava. Now you they fight put a be say you want come follow you inherit your husband property. Now you they fight put. You want to follow you inherit your husband property. What it dey? What it dey? No fight. Leave and make it carry. The day when he carry, now that day he carry loads. He carry another load, Johnny loads. Then with that woman go play love. You get where it go reach. Love go begin call the slack. Maybe the woman will come get belle. The woman will come born. Wait till he promise the woman. He no confident they do am again. Fight go start. You go there, they look there. They look there. The woman born, not being go discharge her for hospital. Not being go buy baby things. So from there, gbege go come start. Not be waiting to tell the woman again. Not be go. But when you come they fight, the thing go come make their relationship come they tight. Their relationship go come they tight. You understand? The thing go come make their love come they strong well. But when you stay clear from there like this, stay clear. See the way I do so. Stay clear. They not see person where they trouble them. Yeah, they go fade. Then go fade. Try what I tell you so. Then go fade. Because they not see who they trouble them. They say you will come trouble them. You there, they busy yourself, they go. They do business, they go. They use 1 arrow, they talk to 2 arrow. Now you come there, they listen, say, hey, my husband, they carry woman, wait, never know. Wait that one for put. He go do, he not cut for Laura. Make it do. The day when you go cut for Laura, now the day when you say go give the woman belly. And that day go cut for Laura. When you see cut for Laura, now you get the responsibility. Not be you get the responsibility. Now you get the responsibility. Except say you know say na you be leg, na you be hand, and because you use money to carry and put for house. Then when you carry any responsibility come, now you go still follow and carry the responsibility. If hereby not be you, that is now waiting do, waiting use the hand to do, now be waiting in good pens. Why you can't they cry? person dey arrange load when he wan carry. If they arrange the road, then you dey talk say the load too much, He know the size of load when he wan carry now. You go let am carry am. You know the size of load when he wan carry. When he wan carry. If he carry every day, every now, he not go side you. You not go fit follow and drop her because you know that when they arrange the load. Now he arrange the load. But this way, you're not gonna leave my husband. You're not gonna leave my husband. You just they shorten your life, my dear. You just they shorten your life. Happy, be happy. Always be happy. Make yourself, create happiness for yourself. Don't let things when be say, if yes, maybe say your children know they do well for school, you feel they worried for all those things. If your pikin not well, God forbid, you feel they worried for all those things. You they worry for ma. You feel worried for her, say maybe say if you know they fine. You feel worried for her. But worry for her when be say go they carry another woman. My sister, that will not be worriness. You just disturb yourself for nothing sake. Stop it. You guys should stop it. Fighting another woman. Or another fellow woman like you. For in the name of man. Is very, very bad. It's very, very bad. You believe say if you do that one, I go make the man leave the woman. No, not be that one, my sister. You go even give her more reason to do what you want to do. You go give her more reason to do what you want to do. I know somebody. This person, when he say he there with this man, as he there with the man, then he can't get belly for this man. He can't born. Before you know, the man carry belly give another woman for her side. Before you know, second woman, don't carry belly give another second woman again. This woman say, you know go fit they take all these things again. Because this one has set back. He carry a kaya, he come out. He come out. I know advise him where you come out too. Because not be you get money when they spend for all that woman. Keep yourself busy with things when be say they important. Now be the advice when I give you. As the woman come out, go there from far distance, go they look there. Before you know, he carry belly give another third woman. No, no, me. Far away they sleep up. Anywhere where you carry and go, now that up you go, they sleep, they go. He carry belly give another woman, which is the third one. You go from this one house come out. You go from this one house come out. You go from this one house come out. They work out from house to house. They go. That kind might get peace. You don't get peace. Because if you go Mama Juni's house go give her gbege. Mama Juni's go give her gbege. If you go Mama Eli house, Eli go give her Mama Eli go give her gbege. If you go Mama Mary house, Mama Mary go give her gbege. That will not be shorting of life. Now you cause her for her. Not be waiting to use the hand take cause. Not be you cause her for her. The woman there for corner, come begin to look. Before you know, this market, a bicycle don't begin to enter revice. He don't enter revice. He don't enter revice. Before you know, now a situation when you don't expect, now you see it's safe. All these women, all of them base. All of them take off. Now person cause her for her. No. Your own to call her that advice and say, my husband, this thing where you do so, it's not good. This thing at the end, see what it go be the end. The head no go there good. You no go like her. Polygamous or no good.